We'll learn about climate change. You're reading the newspaper, but why are you surprised? Oh, I see. A train signal melted due to fire caused by a heat wave in the UK. Actually, Europe is experiencing its worst ever heat wave, with temperature reaching record levels in so many countries. Scientists use satellites and other instruments to collect many types of information about Earth's atmosphere, land, ocean, and ice. This information tells you that Earth's climate is getting warmer day by day. The health effects of climate change include increased respiratory and cardiovascular disease, injuries and premature deaths related to extreme weather events, changes in the prevalence and geographical distribution of food and waterborne illnesses and other infectious diseases, and also mental health problems. Since the Industrial Revolution in the 1800s, the global temperature has increased at a much faster rate. Human activity has quickly become the leading cause of changes to the climate. Sun rays enter the Earth's atmosphere, passing through the layer of greenhouse gases. The Earth's surface consumes the energy from the sun. This energy is sent back into the atmosphere. Some part of this energy passes back into space, but most of it remains trapped in the atmosphere by the greenhouse gases, causing the world to get necessary heat. Earlier, most of the consumed heat was radiated back into space by Earth. But nowadays, too many greenhouse gases are produced, which cause too much warming. The burning of fossil fuels like oil and coal increase the amount of CO2 in the air. Instead of keeping Earth at a warm and stable temperature, the greenhouse effect is heating the planet at a much faster rate. This is known as the enhanced greenhouse effect, and it's the main cause of climate change. Humans produce dangerous and heat-causing gases in different ways. Deforestation. Forests remove and store carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Cutting them down means the CO2 builds up quicker since there are no trees to absorb it. Not only that, trees release the carbon they stored when we burn them. Burning fossil fuels. Fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and gas contain carbon dioxide that has been locked away in the ground for thousands of years. When you burn them, you release the stored carbon dioxide into the air, making it polluted. Cement industry. Producing cement is another contributor to climate change, causing more than 2% of the entire emission of carbon dioxide. The cement sector is the third largest source of pollution. Agriculture. Planting crops and rearing animals releases many different types of greenhouse gases into the air. The nitrous oxide used for fertilizers is 10 times worse and about 300 times more potent than carbon dioxide itself. Look here, France's longest river, l'Our, can now be crossed on foot, and it has never flowed so slowly. The Yangtze River in China is drying up during the extreme heat wave caused by climate change. You can adopt a number of habits to save Earth. These include avoiding plastic bottled water, replacing car trips with biking and walking whenever possible, trying to repair and reuse things, planting more and more trees, and switching to LED light bulbs. Now, you know a lot about climate change. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye.